I'm Roger Evenden. I've been an enterprise architect since the 1980s, working on leading-edge projects, developing best practice, and passing on skills as a coach and mentor. I'd love it if you could join me on Thursday, 10th of February, as I host Good eLearning's webinar, Practical Applications of Implementing TOGAF Principles in Enterprise Architecture. In this 60-minute webinar, I'll describe what principles are and why they're so important, show practical ways to apply architectural principles, and explain why enterprise architecture and TOGAF is necessary and why your projects should be founded on sound principles. And you'll also get the opportunity to ask me questions in an exclusive question and answer session at the end of the webinar. It's a great opportunity to share some in-depth insights. Click on the link and register for free today.